Study the footweb below. If the whole population of H is killed by a disease, which of the following populations would be most affected? Okay, so now we have H being removed. Okay, so the populations that will be affected will be those that fits on H. That will be Q, L, and K. So if you look at Q, even though H is gone, there is still supply of food to Q through G and P. And for K, even if like H is gone, K still can fit on J. However, for L, if H is gone, L will have nothing to fit on. So L will be most affected. Answer is 3.